Hi, it's Jim Fennish from QuickStage, and this segment is on our QuickStage T-knob, and it's the T-knob that we use on our corners for our leg sockets on our portable stage decks, as you can see right here, or on one of the corners on our stages right here. So this is what secures the leg into the corner socket, and it's a 2-inch T-knob on the top. It has an 1.5 inch diameter, 3/8/16 thread on that, and it'll fit any application that uses this 3/8/16 thread or again our leg sockets. So when you buy our portable stages, they come with it, and if you happen to lose it or somehow break one or something, you can buy it as a replacement part at quickstage.com. Again, it just screws into our leg corners like this, and it'll fit any 3/8/16 hole. Zinc plated, plastic knob, 2 inches, and again, available at quickstage.com. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos about all the other products that we offer. And as always, thanks for watching.